guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, welcome. I hope you find this video helpful and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and like this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a color change with any clip arts that you're using when you're designing your own party favors. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Guys, so the free online tool that we're going to be using to change the color of our clip arts is a website called Lunapic. I'm going to leave the link to the website in the description box down below. So the first thing you want to do is upload your clip art or photo, anything that you want to change the color of it. You can either upload it from a saved file on your computer, or if you found the image online, you can put in the URL address here and upload the image. So after your image is uploaded, you will see it here. Next, you want to go up to the Adjust tab and scroll down till you see the Replace Color tab. After the next page shows up, you're going to see change your color fully to another. So you want to click where it says new color, and that's where you want to select your new color that you want to change your image to. Next, your color box is going to appear. Now I'm going to be changing the blue. I want to change the blue to pink. So I'm going to select a pink, or you can do a custom color. I'm going to click OK. And next, I want to select the color that I want to change. So I'm going to click on this blue here. Alright guys, so if you're happy with everything, you can scroll down to the bottom and you can select save. Now your image is saved to your computer and you can use it in your design. I just wanted to show you how I use the image. I'm over in Canva working on some new chip bag designs for a spy party, and this is the design that I came up with, and this is how I use the clip arts. So guys, that's it. It's very simple and easy, and you can do this without Photoshop. So if you're interested in the clip arts that I use in this design, you can find them down in the description box down below. If you're interested in this spy party chip bag, little treat bag design, you can find it over in my Etsy shop. I'll have a link in the description box down below. And the website is called Lunapic, and you can find that link in the description box down below also. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and like this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.